Hi, I'm Dr. Colin Andrew, Professor of Chemistry at Eastern Oregon University. EOU's Chemistry and Biochemistry program offers a private college experience at a public education price. We have small class sizes, we have professional and networking opportunities with our award-winning chemistry club, and we have fantastic state-of-the-art facilities like the research lab I'm in right now. Whether your career goals are to attend medical school, dental school, be a forensic scientist or researcher, I encourage you to come to EOU and dive into the opportunities we have for chemistry and biochemistry students.